Then we have the mining methods. So we have surface mining, that is mechanical methods. Surface mining involves the removal of the overlying soil and rock called overburden to access the desired minerals near the earth's surface. It's used when the ore is located close to the surface. Okay, if an ore is located very close to the surface, we go for open cast mining or surface mining. Okay, where we do not have to go for underground mining. When ore bodies are located deep beneath the earth's surface, then we have to go for underground mining methods. Okay, so surface minings are when ores are near to surface or at a shallow level. So there can be two types. I think two types are only there. Oh, we have a lot of types are there. So we have mostly open pit mining and open cast mining are the two main methods, and there are other methods also. The surface mining, first one is the open pit method. The process open pit mining involves digging a large hole in the ground to remove valuable minerals. The materials is mined in steps or benches to control the flow of materials and ensure the safety of workers and equipments. Materials mined can be gold, copper, iron, diamond, and coal. Advantages economically viable for large near surface ores bodies, low operating costs, and disadvantages is large environmental footprint. Okay, we have to dug out a large area and significant land disturbances and waste material generation. Okay, so waste disposal is also critical in those areas because you cannot leave behind anything because you have to extract everything. Okay, so there are certain advantages because the mining cost of a surface mining or a open pit mining is very low as compared to a underground mining method. So I will show you an open pit mine. So this is an open pit mine. Okay, and these are the benches. These are the benches of an area. Benches are uh, like horizontal surfaces. Okay, these are the benches area. So they go in like this. In a cross section of it will look like this, and these are the benches. Okay, and these are actually road access also. These are road access where any tractor or something which is carrying load can go inside the valley like this, coming from top. Okay, this is an open pit mining. Then we have open cast or strip mining. This technique is used to extract ore that lies close to surface. Okay, by stripping away the overburden layers of soil and rock, large machines scrape the topsoil to expose the desired minerals. Okay, this is the overburden, and this is the coal seam. So overburden is removed to get access to the coal seam. This is similar to open pit mining, but that regular benching structure is not needed for open cast and strip mining. Okay, if I have a diagram, I'll show you open cast mining. Strip mining. Okay, I'm not finding any good diagram. Okay. Anyways, so since I'm not getting any diagram, I can't show you anything. But it look like this. This is the overburden, and this is completely removed to get access to the coal beneath it. Okay. So mostly used for coal and bedded deposits. but also used for iron, lignite, and bauxites, aluminum deposits, and ADI stripping, extraction over large left terrains in long strips. Okay, so they have strips like this. So they since they have the strips like this, is completely removed, and the overburden are kept here. Okay, overburden is kept here. Then they go for another strip like this, where they remove everything and the overburden soil to get access to the coal seam beneath it, and put the overburden soil here. So this is the coal seam that they are after. Okay, so they will strip away all the overburden soil and keep it beside it, and they will do this in patches throughout the whole area. So extraction over large flat terrain in long strips, and contour stripping, it follows the contour of outcrop and hilly terrains. Advantages are it's simply cost effective extraction. Disadvantages are high environment impact, including deforestation and habitat loss. Then we have quarrying. Quarrying is mostly used for sandstone extraction, marble extraction, limestone extraction, all those things. So quarrying is used to extract building materials such as stone, gravel, and sand. It involves digging out large open pits and removing specific sections of rocks. Okay, so they take out rocks in cuboidal shape. Okay, so materials mined are limestones, marbles, granite, sandstones, gravel, and sand. Advantages are direct extraction of building materials for construction purpose. Disadvantages very noisy. There's dust there. Potential harm to the landscape. Okay, so you can see in the diagram this is actually marble extraction is going on here. Okay, they cut out chunks and then carry it and transport it towards the surface. I'll show you quarrying. This is the quarrying method. Okay, they will take out these chunks and then they will take out chunks like this and they will transport it, mostly used for sandstones, marble, granite, limestones. Okay, so a lot of examples you can write in exam. Then we have the auger mining, so involves drilling horizontally into a coal seam exposed. You can see this is a coal seam and they are drilling it horizontally towards the coal seam by a high wall, remaining wall of a previously mined pit, without removing any overburden. Augers, large screw-like drills, are used to extract the coal or ore. Materials mined are coal and suitable for recovering remaining coal in high walls from previous surface mining, limited to thin coal seams and potential for ground stability. Okay, so they do not remove the overburden. Okay, say we have a overburden like this, very big overburden is there, and very small coal seam is there. Okay, so what they will do, they will do this screw type of drilling machine. They will completely drill it through and they will reverse circulate and bring all the coal back. Okay, so this is the overburden and this is the coal seam. So please try to label all your diagrams in your answers. Okay, labeling is must. Wherever you are giving diagrams of a landscape or of a plan view, then please mark uh, top as north. Okay, say you are giving a north, say you are giving a map image, your answers, say you are just right drawing contour lines, then please write this type of thing, north. Okay, because this type of thing and scales are must in geology, but since in a diagram you cannot show scales, at least show the north direction and then contour lines. Also write the contour intervals, like for example 100, 200, 300. Give more details to your diagrams to get more marks. Okay, I'll show you auger drilling. So I'm showing you handheld auger drilling, but these are also comes in machinery parts, so that you get the idea of how it looks. This is a handheld auger drill. Okay, they put it inside and then reverse circulate and comes back. So things will be all these things will carry the ore deposits while pulling it back. Okay, this will carry all the coals, all the rock layers. Okay, while extracting it. Okay, then I'll show you a auger mining. Okay, auger mining. You can see these are the some of the. Okay, yeah, this is a very good image. So you can see this is the auger mining. This is the coal seam. This is the coal seam that they are concerned about. Okay, and this completely is a overburden rock. Overburden, and these are the different auger drills that have been done to get the coal. Okay, so they put the machine here. They put the machine here. They put inside the auger drilling like this. Okay, and they leave behind some walls for the support. Okay, they put the walls here for support. Okay, continuing, we'll have the high wall mining. So you can see this is a high wall. So similar to auger mining, a hybrid form of surface mining in which specialized machines extract coal from the face of a high wall, extending from the high wall into the steam, often using remote control continuous miners. So they get inside the coal seam. So here the coal seam thickness is a bit much more than as compared to auger mining. In auger mining, they only insert the auger inside and then extract the coal. Here the machine goes inside the coal seam. So most for use for coal, utilizes residual coal resources that are otherwise left behind, and disadvantages, they have geotechnical risks, including possible collapse of the high wall. Okay. Sometimes in a mine, they also use a combination of methods. So maybe in some places they will use auger mining, and then in some places they will use high wall mining. Okay, depending on the structure, depending on the overburden, depending on the pressure that the machines can handle, they go for different kinds of mining methods. Okay, so high wall mining is very similar to auger mining, but in auger mining, the coal seam is very thin as compared to the those places where we do high wall mining.